We believe this is the highest spec Ferrari Portofino M for sale in the UK. Not only is it the highest spec, it's got unbelievable provenance. One owner from new, just over 13,000 miles. The gentleman we purchased the car from specifically spec'd the car based on a 1958 GT car in Blu Tour de France, Cuoio interior, and he wanted no plastic on the interior, so it's got full Cuoio extended leather throughout the car. He also paid extra for the luggage package, which came with the car. So you've got two Cuoio suitcases and an actual Ferrari suit carrier there as well. Options on the car: Magneride, full ADAS pack, full carbon interior, carbon exterior including the front splitter, forged wheels, SCUDERI shields, side air vents, underdoors in carbon, the sills are in carbon fibre. It's got a full Topaz PPF. It's an exceptional car. It cost £260,000 when it was new. It's priced £159,990. Full rear diffuser in carbon fibre as well. The Italian motif there, which was specific again to the car. And when I spoke about no plastic on the interior, so if we just come inside, you've got your Daytona style seats, which are heated, ventilated, your neck warmer as well. Look at the use of the blue on the Cavallino. You've got a central plaque there, which was paid for as an option. And you've got bits of stitching in blue, which is beautiful. Carbon fibre driver zone, the central section in carbon. But he wanted extended leather. So the extended leather is on the anti-roll section here. And you've got it behind the seats. The roof lining is all in Cuoio extended leather, which I'll show you later in the video. We've got passenger display, like I said. You've got them other features, surround camera. It's wonderful. Full Ferrari JBL sound, full Ferrari service history. Still has the Ferrari maintenance program till 2028 remaining with the car. And it's one owner, 13,000 miles. What a vehicle it is. And if I just sit in now and start it up. Incredible performance, that V8 engine, 620 PS. It's a convertible, it's got 4 seats, and it's got all the right extras. And I just love it when we get something special. You know, this is a one-of-one car. There isn't anything to compare it to for sale. And I'm just going to put the roof up, and I'll show you the plaque also. Remember, you've got also a special plaque here in the center armrest, as I mentioned earlier. This roof lining is all in Cuoio extended leather, which again is absolutely beautiful. Beautiful inside with your passenger display with the extended leather as well. Use of carbon fibre. What a car. I just love the Cuoio leather. Beautiful throughout. And if we go in the boot, if I just show you the personalisation plaque, you've got that up there and you can see the level of spec. 2 trolley bags, 1 suit holder, all on there. Everything is with it. You've then got your trickle charger, your car cover. Just call me if you want to get this car reserved, because they don't come along very often. It's special, it's unique, it's one owner, it's incredible specification. My name and number's on the screen. Thank you for watching.